In this video, let me show you how to create a blog page on Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. So let's begin. Open the Squarespace website in your browser and log in. Go to the Sites option on the left side, then select Create New Site at the top. Choose Start from a template, then pick a template that suits your style. Click Edit to customize the template. To add media, click the plus icon on the top left. Go to Media and upload from various apps. On the left, you can see options like layers, global sections, site, style, and more. Use this to further customize your blog page. Once you're done, click Publish and you're all set. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.